Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to show only our own only the health bars which will be, and the names which will be available in the scene, not the extra names. So in the start function of the nickname script, we will type here for loop, and here we will say that int I equal to 0 and I is less than names dot length, and then I plus plus. And then this for this sorry, what happened? Okay. And for this for loop, okay, so their names I dot game object dot set active will be false. Initially we are making the things false, and then they will also get the health bars I dot game object dot set active false. So these are initially the false. Then in the display colors, they will just add these lines of code, and from the nickname script dot health bars I, okay, why he is not getting the health bars? So health bars is capital here, and they will use this null health bars, so the spelling mistake was there. And now everything looks good. We can just test it out in the Unity. So let's go to main menu, play, and now hopefully one character with one color will be available, hopefully. Okay, and you can see null reference error, and if we go to this not set to an instance of object, display color 163 as far as game object dot set to file true. Yeah, actually I think we have missed because we have changed the name. So after changing the name, we have to add the health bars, I think. So we have missing health bars here. Okay, so now we'll just select these health bars and add it to the relevant fields. And now let's try it again. Yeah, now you can see on the one color appears and the character is fine. So yeah, that's great. In next video we'll move further. Goodbye.